Hello, what is up guys, Check KJ here. Today I will teach you how to unlock the bootloader of Moto X Play. Before you begin, you have to download two things to unlock the bootloader. First is the ADB Fastboot software and next is Motorola Device Manager. The Motorola Device Manager is nothing but the drivers of Moto X Play. You have to install both of the software to make this work. When you install the first software, you will find a icon on the desktop named Minimal ADB and Fastboot. If you don't find it, don't worry, just go to search and type Minimal. Here you see, and click on it. This is a command prompt which will allow you to unlock the bootloader of your phone. Here the computer part is over. Now you have to come to the phones part. What you have to do in the phone. Now just go to settings, then scroll down. You will find the option called about phone and click on several times on build number, and it will say you have unlocked development settings. I have already unlocked, so it says you have already enabled the developer settings. Now go back and you will find the developer option over here. Now just turn it on and scroll down, and you will find the option called OEM unlocking. Allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Just switch this on, enable, then switch off the device. So when you power off the device, to go into the fast boot menu, you have to hold the power button and volume down button for nearly 6 seconds. Now you have entered the fast boot menu on your device. Now all you have to do is connect the USB cable to it and then connect the other part of USB to your computer. Now I am connected it to the computer. Now I have connected it to the computer. Now let's come to the computer part. Now when you have connected your device to the computer, just type fast boot devices. Here it shows a device is connected, fast boot, and some code is over here. That is my Moto X Play device. If this doesn't come, then the device is not connected. This shows that the device is connected. Now the next step is the commands to unlock your bootloader. First command is fastboot OEM get unlock data. When you click enter, you will get a unlock code over here. Just copy it. These are the 5 lines you have to copy. Just copy it and paste it in some text pad. Just create a text pad and paste it over here. This is here. Then delete all the bootloader text from here. Let me show you how to do it. And create this as single string. I'm deleting all bootloader text and the brackets. No spaces should remain in between. Trim it. Now this looks perfect. Copy it. Press Ctrl A and copy it. Now by this code you can unlock your phone. First you have to visit the official website of Motorola for unlocking your bootloader. Don't worry about the link. I will paste the link in the description. Just visit it from there. And when you visit, just go below and press next. It will say you to sign in. If you don't have a Motorola account, then do sign up and come to the next step. This is the next step. Just scroll down. Here you have to paste the unlock code which we have trimmed just a time ago. Now click on can my device be unlocked. Then go below, just scroll down and click on I agree and click on request unlock key. Then click on OK. This Motorola website will send a unlock key to your email address. Now go to your email address and check whether the unlock key is there. This is the unlock key to unlock your bootloader. Just copy it and paste it in a text pad. I'm pasting it over here. Then you have to write one more command. Let me show you which one it is. Instead of key, just replace which key you have received by Motorola. This one. This one is the key you received through mail, and paste it. Now the command is fastboot OEM unlock and the key. Now this is the last command to unlock the bootloader. When you press enter, the bootloader will be unlocked and all data and files will be erased from your phone and the bootloader will be unlocked. I won't press enter because I have already unlocked my bootloader. After you are done, just enter the command fast boot reboot to reboot your device. When you enter, your device will be rebooting, and there will be a starting logo with warning bootloader unlocked. Don't worry about it. In nearly 2 to 3 minutes your device will be rebooted with all data erased. If you want to flash the recovery mode on your phone, I have made another video for it. Just check in the description. I have pasted the link of it and watch the video to flash the recovery mode on your phone. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, do hit the like button. Do subscribe me if you want to watch more such kind of videos.